as part of a company called The Poetry Place. We're a poetry collective and we host events and workshops. And I also work as a freelance poet and curate workshops, mainly for women, poetry workshops based around the female experience and helping women use their voices in a way that feels powerful and fulfilling for them. So today we were working on having them say in their own words some blue sky thinking about where they want to be in like 20 years time, and you know, what it will take for them to get there, what they need to possess inside of themselves, and the results were incredible. Yeah, some really inspiring work came out today, so yeah.
Yeah, I've been doing poetry for just under 2 years, so I'm still pretty new to poetry itself. But since I joined the Poetry Place, I've been doing events and doing workshops and things like that. But today was my first time doing a workshop in a school, which is a good experience. Yeah, so today I wanted to find a common point of interest with a lot of people. It's music, it's sport, and link it to poetry. So music was the main focus of looking at examples of music like rap music, even love music, R&B, etc., and linking it to poetry and how everything almost is a form of poetry, because poetry is quite broad. It can't be like pigeonholed into one certain category. It's pretty much everything. And the goal was just to kind of get a lot of engagement out of the students, and just make sure that they didn't feel like they were being taught at for an hour and it was losing their concentration. Just getting them involved and using those points of relatability to kind of get them to engage with the poetry, which they ended up doing, which was good.